Hello, welcome to Indie Tutorials. My name is Guillermo and I would like to thank the Patreon supporting this channel. Hello guys, I just wanted to give this overdue status about the Lightning Return series. From the previous video where we imported the asset, I basically created a brand new project. I got rid of the 3D action RPG demo stuff because they were colliding with some of the mechanics and making more difficult to debug. So I ended up having a new project with the new assets, the new characters from Ready Play Me. I have created this custom player controller which is using ORK Framework input keys. There is no new input system right now. I also created this schemata component, so if I were to open the Machinome editor, and let me drag it here. I don't know why the icons look like shit here, but anyways. So I have created this schemata section, and here we can set up the schemas right into the editor, ORK editor. So we have a possibility to set up the garb, the initial garb here, the weapon, shield. In this case I have placed none yet, head accessory, arm accessory, and a set of 4 abilities for each schema. Of course, if we go to the combatant itself, the combatant does not only have the available equipment. I saw that I cannot equip any of those if they are not already in the list of available equipment, or at least they cannot be shown through the equipment viewer. I already raised that in the forums for Nicolas to take a look. And if we were to play now this, the schema, the default schema is the red schema in this case, so it's equipping the garb or the clothing from the information in the schema settings, and as well as the weapon. So if I use now the right bumper or the left bumper to switch schemas, we are using only one prefab or one player, not like before that we were using some dummies, sub prefabs or game objects. So it's just one in this case now, as expected, and we can switch between schemas. It's really performant. I'm happy with the result, and of course I've been playing a little bit with the locomotion system. So in order to have, for example, stop animations like we see here, again we start running and we can stop and having this stop animation. If I were to start sprinting and we stop sprinting, we have a better animation, or a stop sprint animation. We can still jump. So, and this is I'm using in this case now the standard animator controller. But let's see how it goes. I'm really happy with Animancer and probably end up migrating all these. You can see here already that how we need to do it, something like that, to handle start walking, stop walking, start running, start sprinting, stopping from sprinting, and yeah, this can be very messy. So yeah, so I wanted to give this update and to let you know that this project is still alive. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next time.